Viewers, despite three attempts by LNA side to make Turkey start negotiations, up till now, Turkey is sending this message very clearly that it will go ahead with its Sirat and Al Jufra offensive. It cannot start negotiations at this stage. Now, which are these three attempts made by LNA to make Turkey start negotiations, and what is the response of Turkey to this offer for negotiations? Firstly, viewers, first attempt we saw this Cairo declaration from Egypt, Al-Sisi, Haftar, and Aguila Saleh. There they called for ceasefire, but this call for ceasefire it met with no response from Turkey and GNA. After that, viewers, Algerian president, he also said that he was willing to mediate between LNA and GNA. He also said a bit sarcastically that Algeria had no expansionist and economic agendas and it merely wanted to stop fighting. No response after that as well, viewers. Then third attempt, viewers, Erdogan, Putin conversation, telephonic conversation, and after that Russian foreign minister and defense minister, they were due to visit Turkey, and it was being said that this visit could be a breakthrough to find a solution to this Libyan crisis. But this meeting has been cancelled, and now it is being said that deputy minister level talks will be held. In response to the three attempts by LNSI to make Turkey start negotiations, what did Turkey do? Turkey conducted one of the largest military exercises in the Mediterranean. We saw Turkish naval forces, Turkish air forces, F-16 fighter jets, and these fighter jets armed with missiles flew very close to the cities which LNA is controlling. So definitely a very clear message is being sent from Turkey that it will press ahead with this offensive for Sirat and Al Jufra. It won't start negotiations at this stage. Then, viewers, we saw the deployment of Turkish ships at Misrata port just a few hours ago. France has also spoken about that, and France is saying that Turkey is violating this arms embargo, and it has deployed these vessels on at this Misrata port. So definitely, viewers, Turkey is now sending this very clear, unequivocal message that at this point of time, it won't start negotiations. Right now, LNA side, it has an advantage. It is in control of oil crescent, then some parts of, most parts of southern Libya as well. So Turkey wants to take away this advantage from LNA side. Either LNA side will have to retreat from some areas like Sirat and Al Jufra, or we'll see Turkey pressing ahead with this offensive for Sirat and Al Jufra. Some reports, viewers, from LNA side that Russian Wagner fighters, they are planting landmines to the west of Sirat. We saw that in Tripoli as well, viewers, that after GNA captured Hamza camp and Yarmouk camp, their landmines were installed, and that just slowed down the advance of GNA forces. So same strategy is being adopted here by LNA. They are planting landmines so that this advance of GNA towards Sirat, it could be slowed down. In the coming hours, we'll see what happens, but it seems now that this offensive for Sirat and Al Jufra, it is just a matter of time. It will happen unless there is some breakthrough and LNA side decides to retreat from some areas. Thanks for watching.